Hi, welcome to yet another episode of The High Roads. Thank you so much for joining us today. On this trip, we were accompanied by our cousins, and which is probably what made it even more wonderful. Imagine you are driving through a place that seems like it could be set amidst the clouds. Imagine a series of hills and mountains covered all around in a green, velvety blanket. Also imagine waterfalls everywhere you look, perhaps too many to count, flowing from those distant, verdant mountains. Now imagine blooms of all colors on the hills and around the streams of water along the road. Flowers of myriad colors, as if were designed to give a visual relief to the monsoon's emerald green canvas. Doesn't this feel like a happy place and a place that we would want to go to escape the mundane? We found just the perfect monsoon escape not very far from Pune. Uksan Lake near Kamshet is a relatively undiscovered, therefore a lot less crowded to enjoy the monsoon. The drive is filled with picture perfect fields, waterfalls and streams. we stumbled upon a restaurant called as Sahyadri very close to Trikaya retreat. This restaurant serves basic Maharashtrian fare and has a functional setup. But one must go here for its location. What could be more enjoyable than having a delicious and warm meal on a rainy afternoon overlooking a gorgeous mountain stream? Our next stop was the ancient Kondeshwar temple, which is said to be over 400 years old. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, this temple overlooks the majestic Sahyadri hills and a cascading, beautiful waterfall.